Hey guys, we're going to be installing this case right here on this MacBook Air. So let's just take it out. I've got this type of case before for my other Mac. I have a MacBook Pro and it did really well. So that's why I decided to go for the same brand. And here are the instructions. They're very, very simple. We're going to do it right now. The case itself, I'm just going to show you around really quick. But the good thing about this, what I liked about it, besides the frost, that we're just going to take this out in just a second to show you the frost. This is what's more interesting to me, that doesn't crack. I bought tons of these, especially the transparent ones that go all the way around. Those always crack on me just because of the pressure, not because of me slamming my Mac into corners or anything like that. They just crack on the corners for some reason. With this one, I haven't had that issue just yet, so that's why I bought a second one for this MacBook Air. So it doesn't really matter which color MacBook Air you've got, as long as it's a MacBook Air M2, you're gonna get this type of case and it's gonna go really well on it. The ventilation, well, let's just put it on so you guys can see. And it just snaps in. So again, it's supposed to just snap in. That's how it looks. I'm just gonna take out the plastic from this one. Now to put the case on the back, you do have to put this standing up. You have to open up your Mac and then this will go on the back. So this is a frost type of finish. And I like that because you don't get smudges on it. And you will notice on your MacBook Air, you're gonna get smudges right away as soon as you touch it. So we're just gonna snap it in. And there we go. Everything's just gonna snap in. And there's the case. As you guys can see, it's nice and clean. It's gonna protect it all. Let's just close it up. And that's how the case looks like. So with this type of case, it is a little bit dark, so you can't see the Apple logo. There's other ones that are clear and you can see the Apple logo. And this one, for example, you can't. So that's something that I don't like. I do like to see the logo. It looks nice on the Mac. But other than that, hey, you bought this because you wanted to protect your Mac, and that's what it does. So you guys can see the ventilation just around it. Ventilation's got this, which we need, and it won't get in the way back here as well. So you guys may know your MacBook Air does heat up quite a bit, so you need something like this that has a lot of ventilation all the way around. Nothing can get in the way, or else that would be a problem. Something that you look for is that nothing gets in the way. So I can see that everything's open. Same thing on this side. I can see that they did that. This, it's a little loose, but that's okay. As long as it doesn't come off, it should be fine. If I open this up, that's how the case is gonna look like. I'm gonna try to focus in so you guys can see the bottom. What I do regret is not buying one that's transparent, so I can see a little bit of the Apple logo there. I really do like that. But anyways, if you're thinking of buying one of these, I highly recommend buying any case really, because I do regret not buying one for my previous M1 model because it got dent right away and I didn't really slam it against anything. They just dent really, really easily. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.